I first met Michelle when I asked her to be part of our Safe and Just Schools cadre, and it was the first time that we had received a grant to begin our racial and social justice work. And Michelle came on board, and it was very clear very quickly that not only is she passionate about this work, but it really is a part of who she is.
Michelle is a fierce advocate for marginalized students and educators in Teton County and throughout the state. Michelle helped to create a training called Crucial Conversations, which prepares educators to have difficult conversations around the issues of race and social injustice.
She lives it every day. She is committed to making sure that all people are treated equally and with respect and are welcome.
Michelle is continually advocating for social and racial justice in our schools and our communities, and she works to further her own growth by reading, researching, and continuing her role on the cadre. Michelle Rooks has also been an outstanding leader in the Northwest region, my region, and I appreciate the work she is doing to connect our locals and share ideas.
She has taken it upon herself to take our Safe and Just Schools training and create a virtual option for people that we can train our members and community members and allies across our state. We can do that virtually now, and that's thanks to Michelle's commitment to making sure that anyone can access our trainings and that they don't necessarily have to travel across this big state to make that happen.
Congratulations to Michelle Rooks, our 2025 recipient of the Harriet Byrd Award.